Hi everyone! Today we're continuing the Envisions 12-5 lesson, and the objective today is solving word problems involving money. So yesterday we started it and today we're going to finish it. So today's question, I have a couple. Genevieve bought a catcher's mitt for $30.73 and a bat for $19.17. How much did Genevieve spend? So we want to know how much she spent all together. So we have the mitt and the bat. So when we put those together, what operation will we be using? And hopefully you said addition, because that would be correct. So we're going to add. Now the important thing about when you're adding decimals is you have to line up the decimal point. That's most important. So we're going to rewrite $30.73 plus $19.17. And we've lined up our decimal points. Now we're going to add. I'm going to change the color from when we add to make it a little easier for you to see. All right, 3 plus 7 is 10. Put the 0 down, put the 1 up. 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Now here's our decimal point. We just bring it straight down. And now we add the ones column. 0 plus 9 is 9. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So our total is $49.90. That's how much Genevieve spent. $49.90. All right, we have 2 more math problems. That was a 1-step problem, right? Yesterday we did a 2-step, and today these ones are also a little bit more complicated. So this is shopping. So think about when you've gone to Target with your family. When you shop and you're pushing your shopping cart around, right? You're putting items in the cart, and you have to be careful not to put too many things in because, Target's so fantastic. You could just go crazy. But every time you put something in, you have to add that much money onto what was already in the basket, already in the shopping cart. So you have to be careful. There's always, so as you're shopping, you're adding, right? When you go up to the register, they add up all those items. So shopping. Kenya purchases a new music player for $109.78. She pays with 6 $20 bills. How much change should Kenya get back? All right, so we already know actually how much she buys. She buys one item. So it's $109.78. She pays with 6 $20 bills. So we have to figure out how much that is. So there's 6 $20 bills. So that would be 20. Actually, I'm going to put my fingers up. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120. So she gives the cashier $120. And then they want to know, well, how much change should Kenya get back? All right, so we need to subtract because that's how much money she gave the cashier, $120. So which number would be on top, 120 or $109.78? If you said 120, you are correct. The larger number always goes on top. So $120. Now I'm going to put my decimal point and I'm going to put 00 for the cents because, see, there's cents up here. So I can't just put the $120. I need to put the cents as well. Minus $109.78. And now we're going to subtract. I'm going to change the color. All right, so you see we have a lot of zeros here, right? Can't subtract 0 minus 8. This neighbor is not going to help. Neither is this one. So we have to go all the way over to the 2. So we have to cross out the 2 and make it a 1. Now, you can't just skip back over here. To get to this column, we went to every single column. Now, on the way back, we have to go to every column. So we're going to cross out the 0 and make it a 10. Are we done? No. We're going to cross out the 10 and make it a 9. Now remember, a lot of you would just cross out the 0 and make it a 9. That's not correct. That means you're taking a 10 and you're literally making it into 9, and 10 does not equal 9. Like 110 does not equal 9 ones. So you have to cross out the 10, then make it a 9. So now we're ready to go to this 0. We're going to cross out the 0 and make it a 10. Are we done? No, because we need to solve this one. So we're going to cross out that 10, make it a 9, cross out my last 0 in my hundreds column, and make it a 10. Remember, if you just go cross, 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 9, 9, 9, 10, 10, a lot of you make the mistake of making this into a 9, and that's not correct. You're not paying attention or just going slow enough. So remember that last one stays a 10 because you're not giving it to anyone else. All right, 10 minus 8 equals 2. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Decimal point goes straight down. 9 minus 9 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. And 1 minus 1 is nothing. So how much change should Kenya get back? She should get back $10.22. All right, last question. Rajiv bought a skateboard for $37.74. How much change should Rajiv receive if he gave the cashier $40? So again, we got lucky. We didn't have to add up anything for the shopping today because they only bought one item, right? When you only buy one item, that's just the cost of it. So the skateboard cost $37.74. He gave the cashier, let me put I erased this with my hand, I think. He gave the cashier $40. So now we need to figure out how much change does Rajiv get back. Remember, when we're thinking about giving back change, that means we are subtracting when we want to give back change. All right, so now we need to subtract. So which number will be the first number, $40 or $37.74? If you said $40, you are correct because that's the larger number. So we have $40. I'm making it big, so hopefully you can see. Minus $37.74. All right, now we're going to subtract. Now I can't do 0 minus 4, right? I go to my next column, can't do that either. I go to my next column, I can't do that. So I'm going to go to the 4. I'm going to change the color though, so it's easier for you to see. All right, so we're going to cross out the 4 and make it a 3. I should really have someone down here with me. Cross out this 0 and make it a 10. Am I done? No, because I need to figure out this math problem. So I got to keep going back. So now I have to cross out this 10, make it a 9, and give it to this one. Am I done? No, because I'm still not ready for here. So I have to cross out the 10, make it a 9, and then cross out this 0 and make it a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 7 is 2. Bring my decimal point straight down. 9 minus 7 is 2, and 3 minus 3 is nothing. So the change Rajiv gets is $2.26. All right, so you are going to do, after you're watching this video, you're going to do some work on math, on IXL and math of solving word problems using money. All right, and if you're having any trouble, you just send me a message and I'll help you. And if you send me a message, send me a very specific one, because you can't just kind of say, I'm having trouble. I need to know what problem you're having trouble with, and I'll help you. Alrighty, so I hope you have a great rest of the day, and that's it. So maybe if you're watching this before our Zoom meeting, I'll see you at Zoom. And if not, I've already seen you. So alrighty, everyone, have a great day. Bye.